Hello friends, welcome to Aspers Academy. In previous video, I taught you how to identify the given language is regular CFL or CSL. Today we will discuss its examples. Okay, I have already written some examples and will identify the given language is which type, regular CSL or CFL. Okay, let's start with first. The given language is A power M, B power M. A power m, b power n, where if m less than 5, less than equals to 5 and n less than equals to 5. Carefully see, there is a limit, upper limit is given. So it, and one more thing, the numbers m, n will never be less than equals to 0. M, n greater than equals to 0, always greater than equals to 0, because any string it can't be fraction. For example, it can't be a power minus 1 or a minus 10 like this. Okay, it always be greater than equals to 0. Tell me, this is which type, regular CFL or CSL? Okay, let's see. There is a upper bound is given, so this is not an infinite language, this is finite language. In previous video I told you the tricks for how to identify which language is given. So in a regular language I have given first point that the finite language is always regular. So this is a finite language, so it is a regular language. Regular language. I have requested to all of you guys, please note down. So next point, if the given condition is m less than equals to 5 and n less than greater than equals to 2, tell me, there are two portions. First portion is finite, but second portion is infinite. Where m greater than equals to 2 means there is a given a lower limit, means lower limit is 2, n will be more than 2. So this is a infinite, but there is no comparison between m comma n, so it is a regular language. Regular language. Now consider third, where m equals to n and m greater than equals to 0, means here m and n are equal. So we can write like this, we can put m equals to n, both are same, so there is a comparison between m comma n, that is both are equal. So I taught you how in a regular language there is no comparison between numbers, so we can't compare, so it is not a regular language. First point, it is not regular. We always try to find the first regular, then CFL, then CSL. Okay, if this is not regular, then we will try to find for CFL. If it is not CFL, then we will try for CSL. Okay, because if there is a given language is regular, then it also CFL and CSL. I told you the graph, hierarchy graph for regular CFL and CSL. There is regular, there is CFL, here is CSL. If the given language is regular, then it is also CFL and CSL. Okay, next point is this is not regular, so C for CFL, there is a one comparison, CFL can do one comparison, so it is CFL. Next point, next example है A power m, B power n, where m less than equals to n, means there is a comparison. So we surely can say that this is not a regular language. And there is a one comparison, and this is a CFL. Okay, this is CFL. By seeing only you can identify the given language is regular, CFL or CSL. Please listen carefully and see the what type of this language. If there is given m less than equals to m and n less than equals to 10, tell me. I hope you already find in your answer in your mind and compare with my answer. N less than equals to 10 means there is a upper limit is given, n is finite, and or m is less than equals to n means m is less than n, there is also limit for n and m will be applied here. So this is a finite, so whole thing is regular. Finite language is always regular. Okay, consider next. In previous video I have the example in discussing while regular, CFL and CSL. I have given this example only. Tell me which type of this language. This is a CFL because here is P. P is a variable. It has to calculate this thing. So it is CFL. If it is constant, then it is a regular. For various operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, we for this we have identified the given languages with type. So currently this is CFL. Consider next example. A for m, B for n, C for n. Okay, identify this. Where m less than equals to n, you can see there is a two comparisons. First m less than n, and second is m, n or n, B for n, C for n. There is two variables with same power. So it is one comparison, and second is between m comma n. M less than equals to n, there is two comparison. Okay, and we can tell me there is two comparison. So it is regular, CFL or CSL. It is can't be regular, surely can't be a regular. Tell me CFL or CSL. Think and give the answer, please. And there is two comparison. First, try to find if you are not getting, try to find with the draw, stack and push the elements and push out. If there at last this is empty set, then it is a CFL or CSL. Push number of A's. 8 times we have pushed. Okay. And for example 3 times pushed, and if there is a m equals to 4, m equals to 3, then push 3 times and b came. Then first thing push a for 3 times. Let's say a push, b came, a pop out. Next B came, B pop out. Third B came, A pop out. So this is empty, but we cannot. One B is here. Okay, till already identified. Then one B remain and 4C remain. It can't be CFL because we cannot compare with m comma n plus with n. If we compare with this, here we compared all b's came and one more b is there, means a less than b is there, but we cannot identify, we cannot compare with the remaining c's. Okay, only one b is there left, and 4c is left. How will be compared with equal condition? Because b power n and c power n both are equal, so it can't be compared, so it is not CFL, so it is surely CSL, because two comparison is there, it is CSL. Okay, and tell me for this m equals to n. Here m and n both are same, and here the condition is m equals to n, means this is also same, so we can say that a power n, b power n, c power n, means both three are same. So if there is a two comparison, this with this, this with this, okay, it is also two conditions, two comparison, so it is also CSL. Okay, both are CSL. If it is only one comparison, then it will be CFL. If it is more than one comparison, though it is CSL. Okay, consider next example. If L equals to let me clear the board. Okay, L equals to W, where number of A's in W is greater than equals to number of B's in W, means the number of A's is greater than number of B's in that given string. Okay, there is a one comparison, so it is CFL. Okay, consider next example. If number of A is greater than number of B greater than number of C, there is two comparisons between this and this, between this and this, so it is CSL. Okay, CSL. This language is CSL. And take this, number of C's is equals to number of A plus number of B, or number of A minus number of B's. Tell me which is given language, which type of given language. There is two operations, plus and minus, and comparing, so it is CFL. You know, regular language can't do operations. Okay, and CFL can do, but CFL can do only plus and minus. Okay, next, consider next. Number of C is equals to number of A's multiply or divide number of B's. You know, CFL can't do multiplication and division, and CSL can do, so it is surely CSL. Okay, now take next example. L equals to A power n square, B power m, C power n, where m and p are greater than or equals to 0. Okay, tell me which type of given language. You know, there is a non-linear power, means there is a n square, so surely we can say that it is a CSL. Okay, regular and CFL can't be a non-linear power language. Okay, in that expression can't be non-linear. In CSL there can be non-linear power. Here is non-linear power, so it is CSL. If the n is constant like 10, if there is n10, if there is a 10 lakh, if n is 10 lakh, then it is a regular language. Why it is regular? Because if there is n is constant, how much is constant, how much is value given, it doesn't matter, but it is constant, we can draw the machine, so it is regular. Because m and there is no comparison between n and p, and n is constant, and m and r variable, and there is no comparison, so it is regular language. Okay, if n is given constant, then it is regular. Take all of these questions. Now take these more examples. If L is equals to a power m, where m equals to n square and n greater than equals to 0. Here you may think that there is a linear power, but if you think it is linear, and if you put this value here, m equals to n square, if you put this, it will be n square. If you now see, this is a non-linear power, so it is can't be linear, so it is non-linear power, so it is CSL. Okay, now take this m equals to n square plus 10. Tell me which type of given language. And one more, n less than equals to 10. Tell me. This is the regular, because the given n is less than 100, less than equals to 100, means it is constant. There is a non-linear power but with constant, so this is the whole thing will be made constant, or we can say finite, so it is regular language. Okay, next, a power p, where p is a prime number. If there is a non-linear power, prime is can't this is not linear, prime number is not linear, so it is CSL. Now take a power m, b power n, where GCD m comma n equals to 1. What is this GCD? GCD greatest common divisor. This is a function when putting the value m comma n, it should give value 1. So there is some calculation. Regular expression and CFL can't do any calculation. CSL can do, so it is CSL. CSL can do some calculation. Okay. Now take 10. A power m, b power n, c power n, d power m. There is 3 comparison, 1, 2, 3. So it is CSL. Okay. Now take next. A power m plus n and b power m. You can see there is n in both sides, and the condition is given m comma n greater than equals to 0. Okay, there is only one comparison, m equals to m. There is no comparison with m. Okay, we can write like this: a power m, b, a power n, b power n. You can see only comparison with this a power n, b power n. This is not comparable. Okay, there is one comparison between m and b power n, a power n, so it is CFL. Now take this WW, where W belongs to a comma b whole star. What is WW? W is a given string, and 2 times is given written. Means, for example, W is A, B, C. Means there is 2 W, so it will be written as ABC, ABC. Means this language will calculate the given string is W in pattern of WW or not. Means A should be comparable, B should be comparable, C should be comparable with this. Half of the string, both should be same, ABC and ABC. This is called direct string matching. I already told in previous video what type of this given language. This is the CSL. Direct comparison can't do with the CFL. This is CSL. Okay, take all this. Now take each example also. If L is given to WWR, W is the string, the WR is the reverse of that string. Okay. If the given condition is W belongs to A comma B star, then tell me which type of given language. The W is the string, WR is the reverse string. There is a comparison is there, one comparison is there, so it is CFL. Okay. Now take this. W A comma B whole plus. It is positive closure. You know what is this star and plus? Star means any number greater than equals to 0. But here plus means greater than 0. Okay? You can say greater than equals to 1. If the number greater than equals to 0, it can be any number greater than equals to 0. Okay. Now this is CFL. Now tell me what is this? This is also CFL. Because comparison is there. Comparison is there. So it is CFL. Tell me which type of this language. W belongs to A comma B. See, there is no plus or asterisk or star. So there is only one length string is there. Okay. One length string is there. If W is A, then what is type is this? W and W. There is two string is possible. B and B. There is two string is possible means this is a finite language. So finite language is always regular. Now take one more example. WR WR. You can see there is two comparison between this and this. So it is CFL. And it is infinite language, so it is CFL. If it is regular, then if it is finite, so it is regular. There is asterisk, it is infinite language, so it is CSL. Now take one more. UVW, where U, V, W belongs to A, B star. There is no comparison between three strings. Okay, so it is regular. Now take this. L equals to W X WR, where W belongs to A, B star and X belongs to A, B. Then tell me, the string is AB. For example, the W is equals to A, B. Then what type of this? AB X BA. Then tell me which type of given language is? This is CFL. There is comparison. Okay. CFL. Then tell me this. This is most important example. Tell me which type of given language. WX WR, where W, X belongs to A, B whole star. Okay. We take an example and see. For example, W equals to A, B, C. So A, B and B. Then make this X equals to A, B, A. This is the string. And make this string whole string. A, B. W is ABB. And what is X? X is A, B. And WR B, A. And Now take this. W comma X is the belongs to A comma B star. What is the meaning of W asterisk or star? It can be 0 or more than 0. Okay. Then put the value here. This is belongs to WR. This W belongs to A comma B. We put star 0. Here we put 0. Here we put 0. Means we can W belongs to A comma B star. Here star we can put the value 0. For W we put 0. For this also we put 0. For this string we can find. For this string we can find the W X belongs to A comma B star. Any combination of A comma B of any length. So A comma B, there is we consider only whole thing is X. W is here, W is 0 and WR is 0. So whole thing is X. X belongs to W A comma B star. If X belongs to A comma B whole star, this is the regular language. Okay, A comma B star is the regular language. There is no comparison between first and last. We already make null as W. So it is X. X belongs to A comma B star. So it is a regular language. So this is the given language is regular. Please carefully watch video and make notes regularly, because we all think I mess up. Please watch carefully. Okay. Now take next example. This is the regular. This is CFL. Now this X W W R, where W comma X belongs to A comma B whole star. So we made like this also this. We put a W equals to 0. We put W 0. W 0, WR also will be 0. Then remain X. X belongs to A comma B whole star. So it is regular. Okay. Now take this. X belongs to A comma B whole star and W belongs to A comma B plus. It is positive result. Here we can't make W equals to 0. So there will be comparison will be there. At least one length string will be there. Positive closure means at least one length string will be there. So comparison will be there. So it is CFL. Okay. Now take this. W comma W X W, where W belongs to W comma X belongs to A comma B whole star. Now whole thing is whole star. We can make all thing whole star. We put 0. It also put 0. It also put 0. It also put 0. We make only this. So sorry, we can't pay. One thing will be there. So X. We put W put 0 and 0. We can't put whole thing 0. One thing will be remain there. X comma X. There is a comparison. So remaining string will be there. The X. So this is direct comparison. Okay. So it is CSL. We can reverse that thing. If we put X0, then W. 3 string consecutive will be there. So 3 comparison is there. So it is also will be CSL. Then we can say that whole thing is whole language is CSL. Okay. I hope all of these examples you got. If you didn't get, please watch this video again. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.